Sometimes, on your Apple iPhone, you may download videos in your browser, but when you look, you might not see them in the Photos app. In this video, we'll explain how to download any video from a browser and save it to the Photos app. To do this, open any browser. For example, I'm opening the Safari browser, and I like this video, so I want to download it. Here, you'll see a download option. Just click on it. When you click, you'll see the download option again. Click on it, and the download will start. To check the download, you'll see a button like this. Click on it. When you do, you'll find a Downloads option. Click on Downloads. Once you click, you'll see the file being downloaded. Wait for the download to finish. Now the video's downloaded, but if you go to your Photos app, you might not see it there. To save it to the Photos app, click on the video. It'll start playing. Then, you'll see a Share button. Click on it. As you scroll down, you'll see a Save Video option. Click on it. When you do, the video will be saved to your Photos app. After that, if you open the Photos app, you'll see the video there. If you don't see it right away, look under the Recent Days section. You'll find the video there. That's the video. So, this is how you can easily download a video from a browser and save it to the Photos app. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.